Everybody knows we live in a world where they give bad names to beautiful things. Everybody knows we live in a world where we don't give beautiful things a second glance. Heaven only knows we live in a world where what we call beautiful is just something on sale. People laughing behind their hands while the fragile and sensitive are given no chance. When the leaves turn from red to brown, to the trodden down, to the trodden down. When the leaves turn from red to brown, fall to the ground, fall to the ground. We don't have to live in a world where we give bad names to beautiful things. We should live in a beautiful